A seller bought their house 1 to 2 years ago and now lists it on the market. Would you call a realtor right away or let it sit?
I mean, if the seller has recently bought a home and they want to sell it, most of the time they're doing that for a reason. So for me, I'm going to reach out to that realtor and find out what's going on and see if we can help. One of the deals that we're actually wrapping up today is a house that I found on the MLS. The seller just bought the house 8 months ago and they've had it in the market for a couple months. House is empty, it's vacant. He lives out of state making a large payment every month. So for me, you never know what that situation is, and sometimes they really need your help. So reaching out right away could be a great solution. And if they say no, then that's a great one to follow up with, because in 60 days, the realtor might have a different tone. The seller might have a different thing going on in their life where maybe this is now an option that would work for them. And I will tell you what, definitely follow up with sellers who recently bought a property, who are trying to sell it. Those are some of the hottest leads out there right now.